Being in any type of accident can be frightening and confusing. When multiple cars are involved, the amount of damage, the number of victims, and the complexity of determining liability increase significantly. That's why it's critical to contact a skilled personal injury attorney right away. An attorney can ensure that their client is compensated adequately for the injuries, suffering, and financial losses that result from a multi-vehicle crash. Determining fault. Even in a simple two-car accident, both drivers may carry some responsibility for the crash. Figuring out who is liable in a multi-car crash tends to be more challenging. For example, Car A is on the highway and stops short due to being distracted or texting. Car B, which was tailgating Car A, rear-ends Car A. The roads are wet from earlier rain, which causes Car A to skid more than it might have otherwise and strike Car C. The driver in Car C, who is not wearing a seatbelt, slams forward and hits his face on the dashboard. In cases like these, it's common for all parties to bear some level of liability. That's why New Jersey uses a comparative fault model for personal injury awards. That means that a driver's award is reduced by the amount he or she is found to be at fault for an accident. Using the example I just outlined, let's say that the driver in Car B is judged to deserve $100,000, but was 25% at fault for the injuries sustained. As such, the driver of Car B will only be awarded 75% of that $100,000, or $75,000. Moreover, being found 25% at fault could expose the driver of Car B to liability for another party's injuries as well. Filing a claim. Claims involving more than two vehicles often take longer to pursue due to both the complexity of the facts and the sheer number of parties involved. A person who has filed a lawsuit against one or more drivers related to a multi-vehicle accident should be patient and follow their attorney's advice. Even in relatively simple multi-car accidents, the number of drivers can make trials complicated. In the New Jersey case of Williams versus Hodes, the driver of the front or first car of a four-car pileup sued the driver of the last or fourth car. The driver of the last car claimed that the drivers of the second and third cars were at fault. At the last minute, the driver of the last car dismissed his claims against the other two drivers, and the court ordered a new trial because dropping the two claims meant that the other two drivers didn't appear in court, thereby making it impossible for the driver of the first car to prove their case. Multi-vehicle accidents are serious matters that can result in injuries and suffering that affect you the rest of your life. If you or someone you love has been injured or killed in a multi-vehicle accident, contact Rosenblum Law for a free consultation today. We can help you get through this challenging time and also answer any questions that you may have.